Hey everyone, today let's review the Questrade. It is one of the Canada's most popular online brokerage. But is it truly the best choice for Canadian investors? Let's break it down. The Questrade is a full-service Canadian brokerage that lets you trade stocks, ETFs, options, forex, and more, while also offering a tax-advantaged accounts and corporate accounts. It also has a Quest Wealth portfolios and a robo advisors for hands-off investing. Here are the pros of the Questrade. There's no zero commission trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. It is a major plus for cost conscious investors. Also, it offers a support fractional shares for US stocks and ETFs. There's no annual or inactivity fees on most accounts, and a wide range of account types and investment products. Strong regulatory protection under Canadian rules. However, there are drawbacks. Mobile app and platform issues because some users report glitches, lag, and UI complaints. Customer service can be slow, and some fees are remain. In particular, mutual fund trades, currency conversions, and account transfer costs. So, is the Questrade the best trading app in Canada? Yes, if you want a full featured, low cost brokerage accounts, types, and tools. And maybe not if you care most about slick mobile experience or top tier customer support. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.